Good morning, America. It's around, I don't know, 10, 11, somewhere around there. I am currently at the pool. I haven't gone back to the beach yet. My neighbors left today. Well, they just left now. But they brought me over a plate. They brought me over a plate. I must look like I'm hungry. People bring me food. And I'm cracking open my first beer. I didn't have one at 8 o'clock this morning. It's my first one for the day. Hear that sound? Crispy feeling. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. There wasn't a cloud in the sky, and now all of a sudden they just appeared. Hopefully they stay white and puffy. Alright, this is a quickie. Quickie. Sometimes quickies are good. Wanted to show you my chicken wings. Sneak makes friends. Alright, we're back later on with some new content. Until then, enjoy your day. Have a beer. Don't have a beer. Have water. Whatever you do, enjoy it. Till next time, this is Nick signing off. I gotta go work on my tan. Later.